The vast, silent desert of Nevada, home to a military base that officially doesn't exist. For decades, it has been the epicenter of the biggest government cover-up in history. What is truly hidden inside Area 51? Is it a secret military jet or the captured remains of an extraterrestrial crash? In 1947, something fell from the New Mexico sky near Roswell. Today, the Hidden Vault unlocks the 7 forbidden secrets they desperately keep locked inside.
The first secret is the immediate, blatant lie. The U.S. military initially announced they had recovered a flying saucer. Within hours, they retracted the statement, claiming it was merely a weather balloon. This rapid reversal wasn't confusion. It was the moment the biggest military cover-up was born. For years, the legend claimed that Area 51 was trying to reverse engineer alien technology. But the real secret is darker. They weren't just studying the metal. They were studying the biological effects on the people who first encountered the crash site. The focus was on control, not technology. The most successful secret of Area 51 is that it was simply a perfect camouflage. While the world looked for little green men, the U.S. was developing the most lethal spy planes in history, the U-2 and the SR-71 Blackbird. They used the alien myth to distract every spy agency on Earth.
The secrecy wasn't just about planes or aliens. It was about pure human terror. For decades, the area around the base was used as a dumping ground for toxic waste. Employees who worked there suffered devastating illnesses. The government didn't want the secret of ETs exposed. They wanted the secret of human negligence buried.
Then came the smoking gun, Bob Lazar, a man who claimed to have worked at S4, a secret facility near Area 51. His testimony? He saw 9 different alien spacecraft, and his job was to understand their propulsion systems. The government denied he ever worked for them, but his stories were too detailed to be dismissed.
The biggest hook is the rumor of the alien body. Whispers claim they recovered non-human corpses. The government produced highly suspicious autopsy footage, which was later debunked. But the fact that they felt the need to release fake footage confirms one thing: they were desperately trying to control the narrative.
Finally, the government's own admission. After decades of denial, the CIA finally acknowledged Area 51 exists in 2013. But the timing is everything. They admitted to the base only when the public focus was firmly on the aliens. It was a masterful distraction. Admit to the easy lie to hide the terrible truth.
The real question isn't whether aliens are real. The question is, what else are they hiding? The Hidden Vault will keep digging. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that subscribe button and let us know in the comments, what secret should we unlock next?